Have you ever said the following sentence or heard it before? My hair is knotty. Not knotty in the sense of bad, obviously, but knotty in the sense of I have knots in my hair. If you have, this is how you would say it in French. J'ai des nœuds dans les cheveux. Remember that the noun cheveux is really not pronounced cheveux when we use it in a sentence, unless if you read it from the dictionary and you teach it to an ESL class, or to a French as a foreign language class, then of course it would be cheveux, but in a real conversation people would say cheveux. So j'ai des nœuds dans les cheveux, that's my hair is knotty. Literally, I have knots in my hair. There you go. So that's the word of the day, the sentence of the day. If you have questions regarding anything, please post them below this video or email me at alex@language-c.com, and you've got the link under this video in the description to access the entire course for either a month to month, and you can cancel anytime, or go straight for 6 months or 12 months. It's a little more affordable, and you can also purchase the whole course or part of it, anything you're interested in. All right, so I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. Salut.